Guys, the level of respect esinikezwe iMalawi sayinikezwa iGhana size singayikhohlwa. Ngisho emlandweni mase kubhalwa amabhuku ukuthi ngo2026 kwasukuma intombazane kwakuthiwa uJacinta, kwasukuma umphakela umphakathi. Size singayikhohlwa ilevel of respect esinikezwe yilawo ma-country. Sithema sithi abantu abahambe, kwasuka umsindo, sabona amavidiyo abantu besitshela the way kuyikubo ngakhona la, the way they are not going anywhere, the way they've been in this country for 15 years, for 19 years. Yayizwa loo nto besigolozela. But iGhana yenze njani? Thumela iflight, abantu bayo bathi lacu bangena eflightini. iMalawi yabona masingababonanga labantu ababaseMalawi ukuthi abantu abanjani, sangabanika icredit kuyo bese abantu abangenalo iqiniso. Kuwo wonke ama-countries esiwaxoshile, after ama-video sidelelwa, after ama-interviews, amanye ama-nationality edelela ethi awayindawo, iMalawi ithe lacu. Bebengahlala eminyango phela, bebenembhede, bebeno-wardrobe, bebenamabhodwe, bebenezitsha, bebenama-fridge. Ngo-last minute kodwa benze njani? Bathe lacu bahamba baye epaki. Epaki bahlala emakhazeni nezingane. Bahlala emakhazeni nezingane for weeks belindwe ukulandwa. Uyakhumbula ukuthi rent ibisikhokhiwe? Uyakhumbula ukuthi labantu banomadam? Phela akubona laba benza into ebhedayo, ama-drums ntontoni. Cha, yilaba banomadam, benza ingadi, bahoneni, bayathunga, benzani. They had a choice yokucasha komadam until isimo size sithi gozololo. But bathi no, siyahlonipha, siyalalela, let's go home. Uyacabanga 5 years ukuleyo country, kuvele kuthiwe kusasa lokho niyafuneka lapha. Fanele ushiye ilife yakho, ushiye uTupperware wakho, ushiye amabhodo akho, uhambe uyolindela ukuthi ulandwe lapha la uyakhona. Bas respect. Ka Facebook ikhona othe indaba balwe ngamaphoyisa pho. Ngale lalanga nekhumbula idate amaphoyisa. Ngithe kuyena sisi empilweni, noma ngabe relationship, noma ngabe friendship, noma ngabe family, noma ngabe semsebenzini, abantu abaningi bagcina sebelonely, sebengasasiza umuntu because abayisebenzisi emotional intelligence, ne? Unele wenza iphutha elilodwa bakukhathe off, one mistake bakukhathe off. Kanti you don't do that. Akuphilwa kanjalo. Abantu banama feelings, banegazi. Uyayizwa lonto? Banama emotions. Uyayizwa lonto? If umuntu ese-reach to a certain level, uya-act. Wena as umuntu oseduze kwakhe, you need to take down the paper and the pen. You list the things of the bad things and the list of the right things. If the list of the bad things is longer than the list of the good things, okay, you cut that person off. But if the list of the good things is longer than the list of the bad things, you give that person a second chance. Those people, they left everything. They left everything behind. Bahamba bayohlala epaki. Noma ngabe ba wrong, it does not change ukuthi banama feelings. Yes, bonile njengawo wonke umuntu onayo, akekho umuntu ongenawo amaphutha. Bonile bahlala ngokungemthetho. Kodwa ama feelings athi, we've been here for weeks in the cold. No charger, no anything. We understand? We are frustrated. The problem is abantu bethu abekho la. Si frustrate kubani kubantu abarongi. So that one small incident fighting with the police, that few people fighting with the police, does not change the fact that the respect that Malawi is giving us is unmatched. Guys, iphi Zambia, iphi Tanzania, iphi Mozambique, iphi Zambia, iphi Nigeria, apha ama-Congolese, phephetha la. Awekho ama-camp. Are we not supposed to have like 8 to 10 camps, different countries who are willing to go home? Abekho. Kodwa bona thousands and thousands yabantu base Malawi bashiye everything behind. Basihlonipha bahamba baya kwi-camp. Uyazi ukuthi indaba siloke sibabaze njalo because ngizwe kuthiwa isibalo sesigijima boma 12,000 manje abantu base Malawi. Uyazi indaba sibabaza. It's because we were not aware ukuthi bakhona la. Ngoba bathuli benza ingadi, bagada izingane, baklina amaphuli, bashayela izikuta benzani. But we are aware ukuthi we have ama-Nigerians in this country. Si aware ukuthi akhona la. Ngobani bahleze bese indabeni. Siyazi ukuthi ama-Congolese akhona la. Ngobani bahleze bese indabeni. We understand? Abantu base Cameroon, we are aware ukuthi bakhona la ngoba bahleze base indabeni. Mozambicans bahleze bese indabeni. Niyayizwa lento engishoyo? Unlike the Swatis. Ama-Swati ngeke uzuzwe kuthiwa iSwati lenza ukuthi endabeni phephetha la. We are not even sure ukuthi bakhona la eSouth Africa ama-Swati awekho. AbeSuthu from Lesotho asazi noma bakhona la eSouth Africa awabekho. Abantu bako Burundi asibazi noma bakhona. IBenini asiyazi noma ikhona. Uyayizwa lonto? Because asizwa lutho ngabe indabeni. Abenzi lutho, benza lokho abakwenzayo, bayasebenza uma besebenza. Not even once la ozokhona kuthiwa hayi iSwati libanjwe lingena nokuthi. Hayi iSwati libanjwe linquma umuntu, hayi iSwati liqola ugogo. Asazi noma bakhona yini. We just assuming ukuthi bakhona. But asikaze size sizwe ngabe indabeni. You understand? Asikaze size sizwe ngabe endabeni. The only time uzozwa umuntu wase Malawi endabeni in most cases case yokuba khona komlungu husband and wife nengane and then kushone uwife nengane or kushone uhusband or kushone uwife. But if you are street smart, you understand ukuthi ama cases akanjalo. Lelo Malawian usuke lingayenzanga leyo nto. One usuke lingayenzanga. Or two, vele kusuke kusho umkhwenyana athi ilenze. O yenziwa umkhwenyana akhipha imali lo imiliyoni lo waseMalawi athatha ifall. Iyona into eyenzakalayo. Once wezwa nje icase umlungu orich kunomuntu wangaphandle oMalawi oZambia igame. Ngisho enkantolo namaphoyisa igame, ngisho ejele abantu ababoshiwe bofike bakutshele la ukuthi siboshwe nabantu abathatha ifall thina. Bathenjiswa amamiliyoni. Basuke bengayenzanga leyo nto. O siboshwe nabantu ababulala omedem obasi basuke bethunywe yilaba. Banikwa amamiliyoni. Uyayizwa lonto? Yila ubona khona kuma cases anjalo uthi bakhona laba. Akekho umuntu ade aware ukuthi abantu baseMalawi ba thousands and thousands because bathuli. Because bathuli. Irrespect abasinikeza yona guys singasize sikhohlwe. Should it happen that in future, after 20 years or 13 years or bani, should we decide to open the border again? Those are the people ekufanele ukuthi sibavulele. Basikhombisile respect. Basikhombisile ukuthi makuthiwa bahambe baqoqa into zabo peacefully bahambe. Why laba abanye belo? Yabo masisiqedile ngeMalawi, hayi impi ngiyakutshela. Kuzosuka isidumo because I don't see Nigerians living this country. I don't see Zimbabweans living this country. I don't see Congolese living this country. Abapakshile bapholile baphole enhloko baphole esinqeni njengetsheketshe abapakshile abenzile lutho bayabuka nje Into engizwile iSwaziland ithe isibopha abantu abaningi bafuna ukucupha eSwaziland and then isitofu mase sikhule down la mase beyabuya. Abahambi, abanaplan, abayimisele futhi. Siyabonga.
Ngiyakubingelela Mbukeli, njengoba umuzwa usisi ethi hayi khona kumele sibonge lamazwe amabili lawa iGhana neMalawi, inhlonipho abayikhombisa abantu baseNingizimu Afrika makuthiwa hey unogwaja nonogwaja akadle amahlungu angakubo. Hhayi, iGhana yathumela ibhanoyi yalanda abantu baseGhana nabantu baseMalawi impela hhayi baqoqeka impela, hhayi bagcwale endaweni eThekwini ukuthi hayi khona balungiselela ukuthi cha babambe bebheke ekhaya babheke eMalawi. Hhayi le nhlonipho le abayikhombisa abantu base-South Africa i-unmatch. Akusibona nje abantu nabo baphuma ezindlini banempahla banako konke, amafriji basebenzela abantu. Batshene kumzi wokugcina kuthiwa hayi khona ake nibambe indlela ebheke ekhaya. Hhayi bavuka bayithuntutha balungisela nako ukuya ekhaya. Hhayi uthi impela hhayi le nhlonipho le sesingakhohlwa noma sekubhalwa emlandweni ukuthi uJacinta noPhahla Mthakathi bake bathi hayi khona abantu bangaphandle ake baphume sisale thina siyi-country silungise iy'nkinga zethu njenge-country. Cha, abazange basinike inkinga basihlonipha bathatha imithwalo yahamba. Mbukela uthini wakho umbono ngalo daba lasisi? Siphinde sibonane evidyo elandelayo. Uze ube nosuku oluhle. Bye bye.